There are many products available to choose from portable electric stoves, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best portable electric stoves from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ducktop Portable Electric Stove. If you live alone or have a small family, this single countertop burner from Ducktop can be the ideal option for you. It's an electric stove, which means there's no burner involved, and it is the electricity that'll provide all the heat. It means steel utensils will not turn black, as in the case of the traditional stoves already present in our homes. The lightweight structure makes it perfectly portable for your daily life routine. The cleaning of this stove is quite easy, and you can do it just with the help of a moist cloth. The digital control panel makes it user-friendly and easier to understand. There's no need for you to worry about overcooking the food due to negligence either, as the auto pan detection formula will shut it down after the designated time. We're hands over heels in love with it. With no open flame or heating element, food does not burn on the glass cooktop, so this induction burner is easy to clean. Just wipe it with a damp towel. A durable 7-blade fan rapidly dissipates heat to ensure a longer product life. The auto pan detection will shut the unit automatically after 60 seconds if no cookware is detected, equipped with a diagnostic error message system and low and high voltage warning system, ETL approved. Note: in order to use this and any other induction stove, you need to use cookware with a magnetic bottom, whose diameter is at least 5 inches. To your manufacturer's warranty, as well as customer service. Number 2. Cusimax Electric Single Burner. Let's talk about another single-burner portable electric stove that is a proud product of Cusimax. It is known for having the finest quality along with a premium quality outlook. The durable structure means it will have a long life. The overall working mechanism is straightforward to understand, and the cleaning process is as simple as it looks. It's available in 2 colors and can be bought in both single-double burner variations. Plus, the size is compact and ideal for parties, office use, and camping trips. The Cusimax electric stove offers a 30-day return policy, so you know the manufacturers are standing by their product. All types of cookware. Our hot plate is equipped with a powerful 7.4-inch heating plate, compatible with pots and pans with a maximum size of 7.4 inches. It can be used with any type of cookware in your home, such as aluminum pans, copper pans, cast iron frying pans, and non-magnetic stainless steel pans, can heat cookware efficiently with minimal heat loss. Multi-purpose and portable. It is ideal for office use, camping, parties, boats, RVs, student accommodation, traveling, or as an extra cooking utensil in your kitchen. Because of its small and light size, you can easily be used in confined spaces or anywhere. Notice: Cusimax offers an outstanding 30-day return policy and 18-month promise for your worry-free customer experience. All Cusimax products are covered by Product Liability Insurance of the United States. For details, please refer to the instruction manual. Note: it is normal for the machine will get hot because it has a higher calorific value when it works. It's normal that the heating light may cycle on and off during operation. Number 3. Techwood Portable Electric Stove. Another countertop portable electric stove manufactured with the help of stainless steel is here to make things a whole lot easier for you. Techwood has maintained its reputation with this rich featured stove that comes with a double burner. It allows you to cook 2 dishes at one time, at the same heat, thanks to the presence of an 1800W electricity supply. Plus, it can help in heating a variety of kitchenware, as the compatibility with different material types is quite nice. Even though it is highly powerful, there is no compromise on the safety factor. This electric stove also comes with an 18-month guarantee, so you may trust it at once. Pros: available in multiple sizes and stovetop styles, has the right one for everybody. Multi-purpose, durable, powerful, 1800W, and safe. Made up of stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about breaking it either. Number 4. Avente Electric Double Burner. The classic vintage-style portable electric stove is here to serve you, as Avente claims it to be one of their best-selling items. The stainless steel heating tube makes the cooking super comfortable. It is also perfectly lightweight, allowing you to take it anywhere with you after placing it in your vehicle. The base is also made up of stainless steel, which is easy to clean. The stove comes with a 1-year warranty, and you can claim a replacement if you are not satisfied with the quality. The premium stainless steel base allows you to clean food drippings and splatter easily with a non-abrasive sponge or soft damp cloth. Also, the non-slip rubber feet ensure the product remains stable and prevent it from sliding. US-based customer service lets you buy with confidence Avente warranties that the product shall be free from defects in material and workmanship under normal use and conditions for 1 year from the original purchase date. Number 5. Duckstop Portable Double Induction Stove. Here comes another wonderful addition from the Duckstop family, the Double Induction Cooktop Stove. The electric heating system and the sensor touch option make it one of the latest product types in this domain. You will not have to fear safety as the insulated system is made to keep the heat dangers at bay. Plus, the easy cleaning and easy maintenance features make this stove a must-have for your kitchen. An even better feature is that it is highly energy efficient and the usage of electricity is kept to a minimum. There is no restriction as far as the nature of utensils is concerned. You can heat containers made up of cast iron, stainless steel, or enameled iron with ease. Pros. This can be bought along with the cookware set. Equipped with 2 independent heating zones. Energy efficient with a built-in countdown digital timer for up to 10 hours. Cons. Temperatures may not get high enough to sear meat. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier.